Welcome to Mid-Continent Engineering, located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We are a highly capable, vertically integrated contract manufacturer. We support you in your engineering all the way through to finishing of your product. Many of our newer customers are surprised to see that we not only do engineering support, but also help them with their design. They're surprised to see that not only do we do machining, but we do our own NC programming. They're surprised that we not only do finishing, but we do a wide range of finishes and paint surfaces. And they're also surprised that we have a large sheet metal capability in addition to our machining capability.
We here at Mid-Continent commit to total customer satisfaction through continuous improvement and employee involvement. We are AS9100 certified, and we have been for more than 10 years. We drive home process improvement by embedding quality into our culture, continuous improvement, and corrective actions, which all employees at Mid-Continent participate in. We perform tight tolerance inspections with our CMM programming team.
The engineering department that we have, degreed engineers, project engineers, we're capable of handling detailed, complex assemblies, doing design assist, really interacting with our customers' engineers to make sure that the projects get launched successfully. Mid-Continent offers a 2-week lead time prototyping. Our customers give us the drawings, we identify the raw materials, the programs, the special processes, manufacture the parts, check them, and ship them to the customer within 2 weeks.
So as far as our programming department, we program our machines with SurfCam. We're on the latest version of SurfCam 2014. Really what shines in that department is our people. They bring a lot of experience to the table. They've been doing it for a long time. They're always looking for ways to improve the process. They bring experience from the past to what we're doing now. For a lot of our parts, they're complicated parts and they require complicated fixturing, so we will take the time to build the fixturing even if it's complex, because it really yields to good efficiency. If you can fixture something well, have a good manufacturing plan, it runs efficiently, it runs fast, and your quality is good. So we try to marry those two together.
We're able to produce highly precision parts at Mid-Continent Engineering due to our high tool magazine and large volume of pallet stations, which allow us to repeat jobs with virtually no setups. We have probing capabilities on 9 of the 11 machines, which assist us in checking parts while they're on the machine. Our Fastems line, which has 2 MA500 Akumas attached to them, also has material storage capabilities, which track and keep our material off the ground at Mid-Continent.
We do very well at large parts. So if we have a big cabinet or a big part, we have a lot of travel on our Z-axis as well as our X, and we're 120 on the X and 160 on the other machine on the X. Both of them are 36 on the Y, and both are 35 on the Z. So very large machines.
Our sheet metal department consists of highly skilled and experienced personnel and their equipment required to make complex, high tolerance, and repeatable sheet metal parts and assemblies. Our equipment consists of 3-axis machining tables, turret presses, and programmable press brakes that are able to produce both high and low production quantity jobs. Our sheet metal processes mostly support our other capabilities, including machining, finishing as in paint and chem film, as well as assembly to provide our customers complex final assemblies.
We're capable of doing passivation, conversion coating types 1 and 2 for Mil-Spec 5541.
In the welding department, we do MIG welding on steel and aluminum, and we also do TIG welding on aluminum, stainless, and steel. And in the TIG welding, we also do a process called DC straight on aluminum. It allows us to weld very thick material to very thin material. And each welder has to have an AWS certification in order to weld here for the requirements of aerospace. And we do a lot of welding on aluminum, steel, and stainless.
Our assembly processes include everything from very simple assemblies to complex and precise mechanical and electrical mechanical components. We build lean tools into all our processes to build quality into the parts and to have fast turnarounds. In our paint department, we do powder coating, wet paint, and we satisfy a wide array of customer certifications through the military and medical. We have certifications for mill specs, meeting customers' demands on the thickness of paints, gloss, testing. With powder coat, we have large ovens that we can bake big parts with.
5S is a tool of lean manufacturing that we use to organize, clean, standardize our workplace so that we minimize waste in our process, we ensure perfect quality of parts, most importantly ensure the safety of our employees.
To properly manage the high amount of chips that come out of the automated machining centers, Mid-Continent invested in the complete recycling system. The chips come out of the machine, are introduced into the pucking machine, where they're compressed down into pucks. While they're being compressed, the coolant that's resident on the chips is squeezed out. We take that coolant, introduce it into our recycling machine, which recycles the coolant and is redistributed to all the machines throughout the shop, essentially closing the loop.
We make many investments. We're a high-growth company. Our best investment that we make is in our people. They are our only appreciating asset. So what sets Mid-Continent Engineering apart from other contract manufacturers is our broad capability. Mid-Continent Engineering is a highly reliable supplier and have been since our inception in 1967, almost 50 years ago.